Here at Cheyenne Mountain in America, the US Air Force is tracking most of the space junk that the thousands of rocket launches, moon missions and satellite setups have left behind.
Within probably 5 years, this is going to be a concern worldwide.
Just as much of a concern was the fact that the radar system, back in 1985, was unable to track space junk smaller than a dinner plate. And that's a problem, because when the space shuttle is orbiting the Earth at 28,000 k's an hour, any object hitting it has the potential to do some serious damage. By 2005, the space junk issue had become NASA's #1 problem, with even more space junk floating around the planet. In fact, around this time, a piece of space junk smaller than a coin hit the shuttle's windscreen whilst in orbit and almost penetrated the cabin. Helping to prevent this disastrous scenario was an Australian laser that could locate space junk down to the size of a thumbnail, allowing the shuttle to steer around it. Perhaps one day soon, this same laser will even be able to destroy this space junk. That's good news for space exploration, because humans still have some way to go in their journey to the final frontier far beyond the moon.
In the mind of the public, the moon is a dead world from which we brought back rocks, and now you're going to spend a lot of money to go to the moon again and bring back some more rocks. Mars is a much more exciting place scientifically and in the public mind.
A mission to Mars. It's a fantastic dream, and a number of scientific missions have already blazed a trail. Back in 1976, the NASA Viking lander set down on Mars, taking the iconic photos that define the red planet. In 1997, the Pathfinder mission landed, carrying a small, mobile explorer called the Sojourner. Then in 2003, the Mars Exploration Rover set down, launching 2 mobile robots to explore the planet, and they were still driving around and performing scientific work in 2010.